Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can sign up on the Tripadvisor affiliate program. So we are here on the tripadvisor.com website, and what you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and you will find this part here that says do business with us. Now once you open the part that says do business with us, you will see here that you have different options. What you are looking for is the last option that says become an affiliate. Now once we click on this, we will see the explanation for their affiliate program. So here you have reasons why you join. So you have 50% commission, no hotel booking required, you can seamlessly embed links, inspire your users, whatever. So here they explain to you how you earn your commissions. So you earn your commissions by clicks, and down here you have the payouts, so how much they pay per how much clicks. And once you want to start, here you have detailed explanations. So you need to choose a network partner. So you need to go onto this link here that says CJ sign up, and you need to create an account on this website. And once you are there, you will search for Tripadvisor as it says here, and you will create links. So these links will be your affiliate links, the links that will make you money once you promote them. So yeah, this is how you can create your own how you can join the affiliate program of Tripadvisor. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.